Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show step by step how you can easily use Process for workflow management. So let's start. Now after finishing this video you will know exactly how to use it, I believe in that. And also if you can have any questions about Process that you want to learn, let's say something in the program, ask down below in the comments and I'll be really happy to create videos on it. So let's start. Now the first thing I'm going to click here is try it free. Then I'm going to add a work email, full name, password, next. I'm going to wait until it loads and then we're going to continue. Okay, human resources, next. And then you just fill it out. Like what use cases do you have in mind? Let's say client management. Google. Next. And voila, here we are. So what we can actually do, and what is my recommendation, is just start here when you're gonna click. Now you can watch this video, and what you can do is run this workflow. So you can go to the second thing here, then go to top right, run workflow, and name, this is my run. And now what is going to happen? Watch the video, complete the task, then read the intro. Workflow, a blueprint of your process where all the steps are going to be defined. You can watch all the tutorials if you want to. Assign the task. So you can easily assign tasks. I will show you how. You can also fill out the form as a customer name. And then complete the workflow. So this is how you do the workflow and how you fill it out. Now, when you see, and you're gonna feel like hold this, let's say tutorial, you can go back to show menu and reactivate it. Or what you can do is go to top left. You're gonna see saved views here. So you're gonna see the active workflow runs assigned to you, overdue, recently completed. And you see the start here is a workflow run that we have. I can go to the top left and click library. Or I can click on the reports where you would find the reports of the workflows. Or I can go even top right to the new. And you can create. So you can build workflow from template, a page, folder, or your new workflow. I'm going to go with the template and then we will go to the create a new workflow. So we can go with the customer success. Or let's say human resources. Let's say I'm going with the human resources employee onboarding. I'm going to click on it. And you see how it actually looks like and what you can actually find. So this is the workflow that was as a template created. And you see that we can edit every single step of this. I click edit, and now what you can do is to edit every single part of it. So HR manager, you can move and simply switch in this part of the workflow. So let's say create employees file, notify team, and on the right side you always see that what you can add. You can add the content as a text, as an image, as a video, as a file, subtask. You can send an email, a page. You can have also on the right side the forms and the website here. Or I can simply add a date, add a drop down. You can really combine it and do as much as you want. Now this is completely up to you, so I can't really say what you should do or how you should act, because like you're gonna create those forms and those workflows. Now what you can do is go to publish on the top right, and then I can simply go again to top right and run workflow. And let's say Marcus onboarding, run workflow, and then you see assign time members, complete task. Then I go for another one, and I can step by step I can fill everything that I need. So this is pretty much it how you do it, and this is how you can work with a template. You can simply go with the human resources, IT, marketing, real estate. And really choose a lot of these from the templates. Again, then you would go to the top right and click edit. And edit everything here. So you see that you can even duplicate it. So if you like something from the template, you can duplicate it. Now let's go to the top right and again new and workflow. And this is really similar, so that you're gonna fill everything here. So let's say it's about YouTube channel, right? Task name. This is going to be create YouTube video idea. So let's say I'm going to add a form, short text, what it's gonna be about. Then I can simply add, let's say again, short text again, how long this video is going to be. So let's say this is going to be the first one. Then let's say create YouTube thumbnail. Here I can simply add, let's say, file upload with the text. Now I'm going to move the text up, and I'm going to write here, upload here YouTube thumbnail. See? Then you're going to see also the conditional logic on the top left. And now if what's going to be about starts with something or contains something, then show or hide. This is like same with Excel or Google Sheets you're working on, that you can simply create logics. Now when you go further, you're gonna have triggers and automations. You're gonna have automations with your Process.st, DocuSign, Greenhouse here. You can schedule it, run on a recurring basis or specific date. Or you can go with other applications. Then you can simply click here plus new task, add a heading, approval. So you can really switch between these and what you can add here. And again, this is how we do it. And now I create a really short workflow that I can have. So I can add members, multi-choice, drop down, a date, when it's gonna be finished, right? So let's say I can go top right, publish, and right here, let's look at this. Okay, I can go run workflow. Okay, and now as you can see, create YouTube video idea. What is it going to be about? How long this video is going to be? When it's going to be finished? I can set the date, and then I can complete the task. Then I can also create YouTube thumbnail. I can upload it. I can assign it to someone else. Pretty simple, pretty easy, and everything. So this is pretty much it how the workflow works. I hope I give you a little bit perspective what you can do here. You need to really play around it and like see it by yourself what you like. And if you want to create it by templates or by yourself. So thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye. See ya.